Raksha Bandhan Rakhi festival date, origin, significance, celebration. Raksha Bandhan, also known as Rakhi festival, is an annual Hindu religion festival. Raksha Bandhan means bond that protect and is meant to celebrate the bond, love, affection, lacking affection, duty and protection that exists between brother and sister, not just biological brother and sister, but anyone who feel a brothers or sister bond with another person. Throughout most popular in the northern and western part of India. Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated throughout India and Nepal. It is a part of Hindu calendar, but over time it has taken a secular form. It is celebrated. Raksha Bandhan festival takes place on the full moon of Sarvana Purnima. This day is also referred to as Sarvana Purnima or Rakhi Purnima in the Hindu religious calendar. The festival occurs annually in August. Throughout the precise day in August varies from year to year. Who celebrate this festival? This festival is celebrated across India by people of all castes and all created among the Hindus. It is celebrated by Indians and Nepalese people living abroad. Raksha Bandhan is also a Jain festival. On this day, Jain prizes distribute bands or bracelets to devotees. Origin. This festival origin can be traced back to a number of stories in the ancient Hindu scriptures, all of which relate to the idea of bonds or ties between people. Indra Dev and Bel and goddess Lakshmi are two examples. In the former, Indra used a holy tree to protect himself. The precursor of the sacred threads used in the Raksha Bandhan celebration. In the latter, goddess Lakshmi uses a sacred band to make ball into her brother so that she can ask him for a favor. What is its significance? It strengthens the family bond and brings oneness in the family. It strengthens the bond that exists between either biological related brother and sister or any given brother-sister type of coexistence. Once the Rakhi is tied on the mother, whilst there is exchange of hugs and gift between them. This brings not only them but the whole family together as one. Symbol of love. The Rakhi is a symbol of love and care that the sister feels in the heart for her brother. The sister ties a Rakhi on her brother's hand as a sign of love. This day is a symbol of protection. The brother is expected to make promise to protect his sister in all circumstances and honor his brotherly duties. How is it celebrated? On the festivus day, there is a plenty of dancing, singing, exchange of gift and sweetage, as well as performance of certain rituals on the very day. The following celebration take place: visiting the temple on the very day. The family visit the temple while wearing new dresses. This is meant to ask their good favor during the celebration. Performing the arti. After visiting the temple, the sister performs the arti, which involves the sister talking a tray which has a candle and rotating it around her brother's face while narrating a scared prayers for gods to protect her brothers against all evils. The prayer also emphasizes on the well-being of the brother, joy and happiness in life. The tilak. The sister then goes ahead to apply a tilak on the forehead of her brother, while the brother promises to do anything to keep her safe. Tying the Rakhi on the brother's right hand twice. The Rakhi is a scared traditional thread, weaved bracelet or hand that the sister ties on her brother's right hand wrist. As the festival concerned with bonds, the thread signifies love, trust, and bonding that the sisters have for their brothers. Food. After this the brother is fed with either sweets or simple bits by his sister. Gifts and rose. The brothers then views or always protect his sister. He always hugs and gives different gifts to his sister as they sings and dance to mark the occasion. Conclusion: Raksha Bandhan is a special day to all since it is meant to bring togetherness and love between brother and sister.